Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. I am Brandy, aka Mama Vapes and Diamond Paints. I filmed my unboxing of Miss Marilyn right here earlier, and I was talking about doing the sparklers, and I do have some that are going to actually look really good in here. So I have this pretty lime green almost looking one that's going to be able to go up in here. I have these really pretty, they're hummingbird, and they can go in the blues I was talking about. And I have purples, I have the fairy dust ones I was talking about, and there's a lot in here. I got 2 bags. I did not want to miss out on those again. I have Seafoam Glow Glass, which is really pretty. So I do have a lot of colors. I have the dark blue, I have regular, these ones I think are Frost is the name. So and then I have the very bright green, pink, I'm sorry, the Carnation Glow Glass, and some bright greens. So I do have several. I do have others that are for something else, though they're not for this one. But yes, so I did find some colors that I am going to use in here. I have this dark purple, that purple. So I got a lot that I can kind of play with, but that wasn't a reason for my video. I actually have an announcement. I have already hit 100 subscribers, so I'm announcing another giveaway. If you want to see what the prize is and enter, you're going to click on the Google Docs that is going to be attached in the description box, so you can just fill it out. It's super quick. It's just your name, your email address, which I need in order to send the prize to you, and a couple quick questions, but they're literally only about the giveaway. I'm not asking you for any information other than name and email and the answer to the question for the giveaway. So go ahead and click on the link below so you can enter to win. And this is going up, today is Tuesday the 14th. This is going to go for a week, so that way everybody has a chance to enter. So I'll actually be closing this on the 21st, which is on next Tuesday. I probably will do it in the later part of the afternoon, probably around 6 o'clock p.m. Pacific Standard Time. And good luck to everybody who enters. And again, if you haven't already, subscribe. And if you haven't already subscribed, you're going to want to, so you can get on so you guys can get into this giveaway, so you can enter. Anyhow, so subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified the next time I post a video. Bye guys.